noticed this week that I don't feel like I'm by myself in a new way, as though there's some amount of connection and integration that I've experienced through these practice times together. But I really think my body's becoming more comfortable with feeling less separate. I don't feel like a me as much as a we. And we is a parasympathetic response. When we're in fight or flight, we are an I. And yeah, this sense of how much of your time and energy are spent with attention in on self versus a sense of being fundamentally part of something much larger that can support us in every moment. Pretty much, this is how we're going to save the world. So it's really important. And it's a big thing. Simplest, smallest, hugest thing. For information on our trainings, which are open to everyone and offer continuing education credits to providers of all kinds, message us here or visit our courses page on the web at flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.